Discover your perfect getaway at 122 Southeast 5th Avenue, Palatka, Florida, 32177. This 0.27-acre lot is just $4,897 cash, or finance for $99 a month for 48 months, with $500 down and a $249 dock fee. No credit checks or HOAs, only 5 minutes from the scenic St. John River. It offers flat topography perfect for recreational activities. 10 camping friendly for 14 days at a time, or 120 non-consecutive days per year, with mobile and tiny homes allowed. Nearby, you'll find the Magnolia Cafe for 3 minutes by car, Master Walk for 7 minutes, and Huddle House 8 minutes. Don't miss out on this nature-surrounded paradise. Call or text 386-251-5263 for questions, or visit our website, landnoworlater.com.